I'm going to try to introduce algebra in under 4 minutes. Wish me luck. Well, suppose that I'm lucky enough to have a backyard, and I wish to put a fence around that backyard. So what I do, I'm going to make this fence rectangular. And let's suppose that this fence is 5 meters wide and 10 meters long. And because it's a rectangle, I know that the other sides are also those lengths. And suppose I want to know how far it is around to walk it, or perhaps I need material to build it. How many meters worth of material do I need to get around? Well, the distance around is the perimeter, and the perimeter would be 5 meters plus another 10, but that's only halfway around. I need to get back to the beginning again, so I add another 5 meters and finally 10. Adding these up gives me my perimeter 30 meters all the way around. Now, this is not algebra. This is arithmetic, and it is very useful a lot of the time. But using algebra, we can do something much more. Let me go back to my backyard again and have another look. This time I'd like it to be a little different. Rather than knowing the length and the width at the start, suppose I have a restriction that the perimeter must be 30 meters, but my shape is going to be such that the width, which I'll call W, has to be doubled to get the length. In other words, the length is twice the width. Well, getting all the way back, I have width, and my other length is also 2W. So in this case, what I have is the distance around is the width plus the length, which is twice the width, plus the width again, plus the length again, and that's equal to 30 meters in this case. Well, we can use algebra in order to find out what it is that the width is. Now, you might say, well, I'll just guess and check. I'll try some values and see how it works out, and keep going until that adds up to 30. And you can do that for simple problems. But algebra will find a way to solve that more efficiently. Algebra allows you to write an equation and then use certain techniques to find out the answer. In this case, well, the answer is that the width is equal to 5. Now, I didn't use algebra to do that. I just went over here and had a look at these numbers. Similarly, the length is equal to 10. So you might wonder, why would we need to learn any special techniques? Well, before you finish the end of this unit, you'll be able to solve something more complicated, something such as 1/3 times x over 2 plus 1/5 is equal to 1/2 times x over 2 minus 1/3, and that's not an equation that I would like to guess and check. Well, stay tuned to some more videos and we'll show you how to do this very efficiently. Thanks. And keep in mind, suggestions are welcome.